Richard dwi, a dwi'n cefnogi'r hyn mae Morlais ynghyd y Menter Môn i'w wneud i jyst sicrhau swyddi i ni y bobl ifanc yma Môn.
I'm Tom Burke, co-founder of Animated Technologies based in M-Spark, Gerwen, Anglesey, just down the road from Morlais. Already we are kind of connected with the supply chain that is interested in Morlais, and we can certainly see more opportunities in the future where our services will be required.
Dwi o'r farn y dylai creu ynni adnewyddadwy fod yn flaenoriaeth ac yn brosiect ar gyfer rwan y presennol, nid y dyfodol.
My name is Ale Jones-Griffith, Principal of Coleg Mynegi. It gives me great pleasure to support and endorse the project that Morlais are proposing for Anglesey. As a college, we look forward to being a partner in the training and the apprenticeship opportunities that young people can benefit from the excellent facilities we have in the STEM Centre in Llangefni.
Dwi yn cefnogi Morlais ar gwaith maen nhw'n ei wneud. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n gret bod nhw'n rhoi y cyfle i bobl ifanc yr ynys cael gwaith.
Pryderu dwi o M-Spark a dwi'n gefnogol iawn o gais cynllunio Morlais. Mae'r cyfleoedd gwych i'r gadw'n gyflenwi nifer o gwmnïau yma yn M-Spark. Cyfleoedd gwych hefyd o ran gwaith ymchwil gyda Prifysgol Bangor. Cyfle gwych i ddenu cwmnïau rhyngwladol sydd ar loesi yn y maes i'r rhan yma o'r byd a cyfle i daclo cynnesu byd eang.
Ynni is a community hydro scheme in Bethesda, but it's more than kilowatts. It's more than exporting electricity. It's about bringing people together to create environmental benefit, economic benefit, and the people power generated from a scheme like Ynni, it's been immense.
Mae prosiect Morlais yn gyfle arbennig i Ynys Môn ddod â swyddi sgil uchel i'r ardal am flynyddoedd i ddod, sydd yn cael effaith ar datblygu trydan glân ar draws y byd.
My name's Dr. Rainier Young. I'm Bangor University's Director of Sustainability. It's my pleasure to give support to Morlais for their fantastic work with tidal energy in Ynys Môn. This is the way forward. Green, clean energy. Morlais, leading in Ynys Môn, in Wales and the world. Well done, da iawn, pob lwc.
Dwi yn credu bod prosiectau fel Morlais yn sicrhau dyfodol i bobl ifanc ar yr ynys drwy gwaith ac hyfforddiant mewn cynhyrchu ynni, gwyrdd a glân.
Pobl Morlais, we do wish you well with the project and we look forward to seeing the community benefit that it will bring to Anglesey.
We 100% support it and good luck.
Mae'r frwydr yn erbyn newid hinsawdd yn un anferthol, ond mae gen Gymru fach lot i gynnig, a mae prosiect Morlais yn enghraifft gwych o hynny.